Why can't I think of anything? This is what... 5 paragraphs? I could do that in elementary school. I can't think.
Hey, Rick. An essay, huh?
Yep. And you're not getting me on this one. It's very important, and if I don't get it done, bad things will happen.
Oh, I'm sure it's fine. You can take a couple of minutes, right?
No, I literally can't. This is due tomorrow morning. I have to write it now.
Come on, you can take a couple of minutes for little old me, right?
Fine. Guess I'm a little hungry.
Yogurt. An American delicacy. How healthy.
Yeah.
Delicious?
Sure.
Well, I'm glad to be of service.
Do you need something?
Want something to eat?
I just ate. You know this.
I know you're
Go
so
away.
hungry, though. Hey, don't beat yourself up. This is good.
Really?
Yeah. So why don't you take a break, have a little snack?
You never quit, do you? Oh, dang it!